So I'm forever being asked, Jen, when is the best time to put my house on the market? And depending on when we're having the conversation, based on the season or the current state of the market, I may have some different advice to offer. So statistically speaking, if you would like to sell your house the most quickly, the best time to put your house on the market is mid-March. If you'd like to sell your house for the most amount of money and most amount of competition, the best time for you to list is the end of April. Now there is a sweet spot. According to REALTOR.ca, the peak week for you to have the maximum success with the sale of your home is between April 18th and April 24th. So in the next slide, get ready to screenshot the guide that I offer my clients as we prepare their homes for sale. Let's get you. So I'm forever